Hello, this is Flan Control Box. Let's learn how to set your room temperature. This is temperature panel, and this is current ampere panel. This means on temperature, off temperature, composer delay, defrosting interval, defrosting time, defrosting stop temperature. Let's learn how to set it. Long press set button for about 8 seconds. It will show SEL. Where the red signal stays, it means you can set the value. Now we set room temperature on temperature. Press the down button or the up button, you can set the temperature. This means 1 degree below zero. This means 1 degree above zero. And you can switch here. After you set the value, it will auto-save. Now, let's see the value just set. Long press set button. It appears SEL. Then press set button shortly. You can see the value you just saved. If there's ice or frost behind your evaporator, you can use forced defrosting function. Press this button. And this signal light, it means it's defrosting now. It will about 20 minutes